This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Linda Fox-Jarvis team. Direct Bayfront Unit. Sought after direct Bayfront Unit in Cape Henry Towers. Move-in ready with new flooring and paint throughout. New HVAC unit installed summer 2019. Enjoy bay views from your living room, kitchen and master bedroom. Great condo community with tons of amenities including tennis courts, pool, game room and party room, library, gym and putting green. Condo fee includes water/sewer, trash, cable, master insurance and flood, and security. Direct Bayfront units don't come on the market often. For more information, review the details below or contact Linda Fox-Jarvis team at 757